Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and you're getting an E93 error on the display and you're trying to figure out why am I getting this error and what do I need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what this is that it's a machine configuration error, which is basically the control board that's trying to talk to the interface control. They're trying to talk to each other and they're unable to get themselves like lined up and agreeing with each other. So there's a couple of things you can do. One is you can check the wiring between the two and make sure there's nothing loose, disconnected, crossed, or anything like that, and replace and repair any wiring as necessary. The other thing that might be going on is if you have recently replaced either of these parts and now you're getting it, it may be that you have replaced it with the wrong part, like you have replaced it with either a control board or an interface which is meant for a different specific model of dryer, and then you're just going to want to check and make sure that you have gotten the correct interface control or control board, and you may need to replace again with the correct one.